How to back up Gmail data. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can back up your Gmail data. So to do that, log in into your Gmail account and then move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines. Then in the page display, scroll down until you can see settings and select settings. Then on the settings page, you'll be asked to select the Gmail whose data you'd like to back up. And then on the settings page, select manage your Google account and you'll be brought to your Google accounts page where you can see your name, your email address, and below that you'll see tabs such as home, personal info, data and privacy. So select data and privacy. On the data and privacy page, the next step will be for you to scroll down until you can see the option back up. All right, so just scroll down. Also, you can see the option download your data, make a copy of your data to back it up. So select that. Once you select it, you will be asked to select the web browser that you want to use to continue the process. After selecting the web browser, you'll be taken to the next stage. So on this stage, you'll be taken to your Google Takeout page where you can export a copy of your content in your Google account to back it up, or you can use it to the service outside of Google. So scroll down and then select the data that you would like to back up. So after selecting data that you'd like to back up, you can see all of it. Scroll down, all right, and check out all of the information that has been saved to your Google account. And then you will see the option next. Okay, click on that and you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to select your medium of downloading your data. Do you want to export it as once, or do you want to export every 2 months for 1 year? Go ahead, select the method you want, then scroll down to the bottom right corner, click on create export, and then your data will be downloaded and it will be backed up automatically. So this is how you can back up Gmail data. So go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.